You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how you can reduce cost in your bakery business. So stick to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you amazing tips on how to reduce cost and maximize profit. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Now, the first one is your reduce unnecessary flavor combinations. There was a bakery I visited, and the recipe was a combination of tantalizer, vanilla, milk flavor, about 4 or 5 types of flavors. That is just waste of resources because you can actually use only one flavor and it will give you, it could be, you can choose the milk flavor to have that milk bread, or the vanilla flavor. You can choose butterscotch. You can just choose one of the flavor and you can just increase it so that it will be strong. And when somebody takes a bite, that flavor, that strong flavor of the milk or the vanilla, or any of the ones you choose that you actually love, will ooze out. The taste will be awesome. So stop using so many types of flavors. So let's look at the second one. Number 2, use potato wheat formula to increase volume. Go to the market. This is a deep business secret I'm going to share with you that nobody will ever reveal to you. Now, if you go to the market, let's say you buy a bag of sweet potato, which is about 30,000, 25,000, or 35,000, depending on your location. Draw close. Take note of this. Now, when you get to peel the sweet potato, boil it and blend to smooth, blend to puree. Use water to blend. Make sure it's well blended, very smooth. And then when you get home, you use 10 is to 4. That means if you are mixing 10 kg of all-purpose flour, you take 4 kg of the blended sweet potato. Combine this is almost 14 kg. This is 14 kg already. And then use the recipe. There is a special way you reduce some of the sugar. This formulation will reduce the quantity of sugar because the sweet potato is already sugary. So it will reduce the quantity of sugar and also amend some of the things that you used to add in large quantity, and then the quality of bread will remain the same, rich in fiber and very elastic, everything fluffy and nice. Most times, if you get that one that is yellowish in color, if you see the color of the bread, you will love it. This is another deep secret that I just shared with you for free. Now, all you need to do for me is to click that like button as an act of appreciation, and also drop your comment. Drop a nice comment and tell me where you're watching from. Let's look at the next one. You can reduce or remove eggs. Most people don't know that, for you to have a good loaf, it does not mean that there must be a lot of eggs, a lot of butter, and a lot of everything. No, you can actually remove egg. The role of egg as a binding agent and also increasing the nutritional benefits of the bread does not mean that you cannot remove it. One of the disadvantages of egg also is that because it is rich in protein, it can increase spoilage. And so if you remove the egg, you definitely reduce the cost of production and your bread will remain the same. Now let's look at it. The next one, which is another beautiful tip that you need to know: buy materials in bulk. Is it going to market every week or going to stores to buy your ingredients in maybe 2 bags, 5 bags every day or every week? It's not necessary. It's not important. You are increasing cost because the transport you are paying every day is uncalled for. So if you can buy in bulk, it will help you reduce the cost because you will just one driver will just bring it to the bakery and you are done. Most times, if you buy in bulk, also there will be a discount. So that is another good strategy to reduce cost for that. Number 5 is reduce labor cost. Reduce labor cost. I visited a bakery that the workers are about 10, 11, 12 staffs, and they bake only 5 bags of flour a day. Do you know that 3 boys can actually bake those 5 bags of flour a day before 6 p.m. From 6 to 6, before 6 to 6, work is done, everything packaged. So I don't know why you should employ about 10, 11 staffs that are, most of them are just doing nothing. They stroll to this side, some are in the packaging room sitting and discussing why, molding and mixing is going on. Some are, no, you don't have to overemploy. Reduce them, remove them, sack some of them. And if you just, you need 3, 4 bakers, 3, 4 staffs in that bakery, and then a distributor that will drive the car. That is all you need. So overemployment is one of the things that is killing bakery businesses. And so you have to take time and do the needful. So in summary, make sure you reduce unnecessary combinations of flavor. Use potato wheat formula to increase volume and reduce cost. And then you can reduce or remove eggs. You can also buy materials in bulk and then reduce cost of labor. This is an amazing, very short video that I decided to share with you to expose more secrets in the bakery industry. See you in our next video. Don't forget to drop your comment. God bless you.